Oh, there. Oh, my, yeah, roast breadfruit, man. Okay. What I think we can catch a roast breadfruit again.
Yeah, now come eat breadfruit soon done, man.
Man, so me not get none.
Eh?
So me not get no breadfruit.
Breadfruit I get done. Yes, sir, they again.
There.
Breadfruit I get done, man.
Oh my, and you did want me get breadfruit, not true?
Yes, man. You can't get breadfruit still, you know.
Okay.
You have to eat breadfruit the pantry, you know.
Oh.
So you can...
Pick it with stick.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
You have to cook a boy out the road there. Damien.
Oh, Damien. I forgot to call Damien.
Yes.
Alright, sir.
I'm making get picky breadfruit.
My husband gonna call him.
Right, man, right. Along for you come here, Mr. Me, you should come look for me.
Yeah, man. You know what me not left you out, man. Not true? No, me here say you not work, you know, that's why me...
Talk work for you girl long here, sir.
Yeah, me?
In say me na, no grass in the yard for me now, no grass in the place. And I know fear me a chop people place, so me supposed to know if you do it. You know me do that, man. When I work for him, but me talk work for him, you know.
Oh.
I do no more work for him. When I do no more work for him, me talk.
Okay.
It's a rough life, man.
That's why me here say you need little food, man.
For you come in, when you come, for in a Christmas. No, in a...
No, man, me come in a Easter. Yeah, in a April.
Yes, I can bun, come give me a
cheese.
And cheese.
Yes.
Yes. You can come give me.
Yeah, man.
So, I breadfruit right, me a roasty.
Yeah, that makes
sense. I cook something in the pot. See here.
Oh, but you cook only for food, man.
A breadfruit, but no
flour.
Now
make you put it on the ground. Take out the pot and put it on top here, so, man.
You see a rough life, me cook. I mean, roast. You see
but you cook good food, and that's why you keep so strong, you know.
And somebody give me them can here.
But a good food you cook, Archie, man. You don't know it, you know, but a good food you cook.
What?
That's why you're so strong.
Strong?
Yeah.
I fit man. I strong, man. Me walk up a road then. Me
know, man.
Me go walk. One lady named Miss Rosie.
But your pepper tree still a come, still a go on. Me a come round, me a walk round.
You see me a sweet life. Me not walk here now. A rough life really see car.
Then you tell me say you go walk up by a woman.
Me a look for your back, see car them when me plant.
Why the car them come up big, man? Them a grow Archie, man.
I'm buying a market and plant.
Me know, man.
I'm plant it. Me have to weed out it.
Yeah.
Take time and weed out the place. I'm do it.
Well, if a breadfruit the punch.
Breadfruit there now, man.
It look good for true.
Me say me a look for you, you know.
Yeah.
Look for your back, you know.
Last month, me... Remember I said, not this month of your birthday, no me your birthday. Me your birthday, not true.
Yeah.
And at the last day of me, so you know, so me can't come. Me say today the last day of me.
The last day of me?
Yeah. So me say me have to come check you in your birth month. Me say me have to come check you in your birth month. I me bring the thermos for you. Me bring the thermos for you. One nice lady named Miss Ben send the thermos. She sent a thermos for you.
Thermos?
Yeah, man.
Oh, you bring a thermos?
Yes, man.
A rough life me living now, man.
So what going with you differently, Archie? What going with you?
With what?
Anything at all?
Still work, still chop people play.
Then how you say you now work?
Me I work, yes.
You work now?
No, me work yesterday. Yesterday me work. Me no work for a little while, but me work yesterday.
Oh, you work yesterday. So you get pay?
Eh?
You get pay?
No, me get money off I work already, left 2,000.
Oh.
Up there me fi go. But me I look something for you.
Oh.
Our weather.
Why, be a rain and fall. Yes,
This is
sir.
a sweet life we live, man. A rough life we live in.
Yeah. You have yam here, so how you not put the yam them pan stick?
Them yeah.
Hey.
You can put them pan stick. Them a come up, man. Them
want stick, man.
Yes, them a come up.
The whole of them want. Are you planting them?
No.
Oh.
In dead. In your chat boat, in dead.
Oh.
In come from City, the same place where you come from and then come from.
Okay.
And then belongs.
All you have to do is mold them up, you know, and put them on stick.
And then him belongs to.
Yeah.
Same place where you come from.
Yeah, but me I tell you, say, all you have to do is mold them up and put them on stick.
Yes,
and you get good yam.
Stick.
Mm-hmm.
Them a come up.
Nobody make your breadfruit burn up, you know, me buy breadfruit.
See them here.
And
he men plan them, you know. I know me. In dead.
yeah.
Him all on me. Our man dead up so too. You know.
Somebody dead in the community again?
Yes, man. One man dead up. They all on me, you know.
Oh.
Don't answer.
Okay.
Don't get so too.
Oh.
And one girl dead a blackness too. One teacher girl.
Oh.
In dead. In good looking, you know, pretty, brown and pretty.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, man, in pretty, you know, even.
Everybody, so if you not brown, if she not brown, she not pretty?
In good looking.
Oh, true, you love that about brown in
brown,
me a trouble you.
Yes, man, indeed.
Oh,
I
okay.
ain't going to grave digging, only.
Oh.
But me ain't going to wait, yeah. Me ain't good.
Okay.
Yeah, man, I have a girl where me know. But they went chop up in pie, you know.
Oh, yes.
One bookkeeper.
Her father was a bookkeeper?
Yeah, man, a girl for.
Okay.
I was Indian woman in David. The woman dead too.
Oh.
The mother dead. I want man chop him up.
Whoa.
The two ain't shite.
Eh?
I chop him up with machine.
Whoa.
Enough here, man. I want a nice bookkeeper, you know.
Yeah.
He quiet. His name is Sarton.
Okay.
I have his wife, his sister, his nurse.
Oh. So Mr. Harton's daughter now died. Where
Yes.
You go a grave digging.
Yes, him dead. And Mr. Harton's daughter dead and he get all boy too.
Okay.
Well, we can read them in a big job all of food and I do work in the office.
Okay.
I work in the office.
Well, when me come, you update me everything going on in the community. Me say when me come, you update me everything going on in the community.
How much what me doing? After me work that, tell doctor say I me get. Much what me get.
Yeah.
I me get.
Yes.
You think I boy have a chop? Cut you up the gun, you chop the.
You chop up the good?
Pretty man.
Okay.
5,000 them I give me for doing.
Eh.
I give me 3,000 already left too.
Oh.
I never go party there. Well weather. You see I rough like.
Yeah.
I me have me say me I look for you. Me I look for you in by. Me I look for you by now to August.
Yes.
But you come. Me I say me I look for you in after August. Me I look for you.
Okay.
Another month. Yeah, August me I look for you.
August, yeah, August or June? Which one?
June. But me
June.
I look for you in August I come.
Oh.
Me I look for you.
Oh, no, so me have to come check you.
But me know say you come back and look for me.
Yes, man, yes.
All well. Are you go? Me say you have to come if you come get breadfruit, man.
But enough breadfruit in our tree still, man.
Yeah, man,
But then they high.
No breadfruit and boiling the one up there.
Boiling one up there
So
too.
you come where you can't get breadfruit, man. Can't go home.
Yeah, man.
And breadfruit up on a tree there too.
I miss the tree around there. So how this a mango tree now? How this mango tree now? It bear?
Get enough mango off it, man. Yeah, man.
What kind of mango?
Bunchy.
How them cost?
Bunchy.
I know common.
Eh? No, man. Come on, man, go in there too.
But me don't know bunchy. How bunchy?
You don't know it?
No, it have another name?
Yeah, go show it. Yeah, Bunchy.
Bunchy.
Bunchy mango, man. They call it fish.
Oh, them kind of fat.
Fish,
Yeah.
Good. But then, when they ripe, they're sweet.
Oh.
So some of them fresh. See, sir?
So which tree that one over there? So the other big mango tree.
Funny mango that.
Oh.
But he good, but he have
a robin?
worm. Me don't know, but he have worm,
Oh, so you have to be careful.
He have worm.
Oh, who burn fire over there, so?
Our man, me tell you, my new house. My new house.
So why him burn fire over there? Over there, so?
Yes. You know where I come from? Say my girl, a Max, a farm.
Oh.
Max. You know where I come from? Say my new house, burn down in.
But him burn some of your banana, what, man?
If fire catch it down here.
Mm-hmm.
Fire catch it down here.
Because fire can't light when it windy and when a be a breeze.
When it fall, me can say it breeze a blow.
Yeah, and the time dry.
And the time dry, burn down, he run down, go over them bush there.
Yeah.
So burn down the place, I mean, you can't get the place of fire, burn down the place.
So him burn out there, so him burn out of the mango tree.
Oh. When cut it so fresh, you better.
Yeah.
And burn if you make it, if you get it, if you work.
Oh.
Yam can't plant in there, no. Yam can't plant over. I want boy in a cup race. I go over there, so. They say, no.
Too close to your yard. And it got the scent, I got too bad.
It had said.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
That now it got too close to your house.
Yeah, smell. It had. So
come look for your breadfruit, Archie. Make your breadfruit, but yeah.
But he had can over there. So me can say my teeth here.
Okay. But Archie, me see 1 and 2 pepper on your tree, man.
But they're not young.
That one you're not young.
Me hold on me boy, you know. Me hold on the boy. I can't be nothing fish me. Me hold on him. Come pick up some more who did it. Come put it in. You see how me take time to me sit there?
Yeah, man, and when you do it good.
Eh?
Yeah, man, and when you do it good.
Who?
Now
you think I know me I do sitting?
Like roast breadfruit?
You know if you do me things, huh?
Okay.
It's soft, you know.
Oh.
You have to bun like how you pierce a bun. There.
Oh.
Make him tap bun. Yes, so. Bun.
The bottom bun like the top?
Yes. The bottom is turned down.
Oh, yeah, I got chopped now. Oh. Your coal done?
We have some more coal, man.
Oh, you have coal left?
Yeah, man. Yeah, coal.
What I want me to bring you?
Yeah, man. We have a little coal left.
Okay, but through you do the breadfruit, you use the wood fire. Through the breadfruit, you put the stove out here so and use the wood fire?
Yes.
Okay. Alright, sir. Oh, you want one different machete? Oh. So what kind of machete would I forget? Which one? What you call them machete? Yeah?
Like this.
What you call that a machete?
Long machete.
Oh.
You show me this.
You don't have no different name?
A long machete this.
I just saw them call it?
Yes. Long machete.
Okay.
I widen this, you know. You widen on that, sharp.
Yes.
And a good order.
Okay.
I go wake up yesterday.
Oh, with the breadfruit leaf them.
I go wake up in breadfruit leaf.
Yeah.
Yes, look good.
Yeah, man. No worry yourself, man. Me know say you will clean it up.
I take time and do my foot there.
Then at first, me ever come and see you have garbage over yourself.
Yes, man, I have my foot there.
And then you to burn it?
Yes, burn it.
Can bag it.
Bag.
Garbage truck no come.
You can't put it in a bag.
Garbage truck no come through here, so? A garbage truck no pass through here, so?
Outer road, out there, it go. Outer road.
Oh. You can put it in a bag and carry out a road. You can put it in a bag and carry it out a road.
I know if you make up my shit.
Yeah. Right. Oh yeah, chop out the way for me come show me which part you chop wood. Some ripe mango over that tree, Archie, man. Look, the mango up in that tree here. I string it this too.
What's that? I want funny mango.
Oh.
No.
You have worm too?
Eh?
Have worm too?
Worm. Me no know we have worm.
Why you strong though, Archibald? Yeah. You shot me good.
Eh?
You shot me mash it good.
Yes, way.
Yeah, man. That be breadfruit a spoil, man.
Eh?
Breadfruit them just a drop and spoil.
This carbon in there.
Yeah, man. It dry.
It's dry. And it may take it through here. You know what? Me know if you do this.
Me know, man.
Me know what? Eh? You take this and chop off and enough while me chop it. Me a cry. But me a try to feed. For me do it.
Why you strong though, Archie? Man.
Me never take my shit chop nobody. And me know if you use hospital.
Wow.
Me know if you do them, me tell you.
70 odd year old man a chop wood like a young boy.
Eh?
You chop it like a young boy, man.
Young boy.
Young boy, them can't do it like you, not you?
Boy call me boy.
Hmm.
I'm tired of following.
Why young boy call you boy? Eh?
You can't do what me do. You're mad.
Eh.
Me can't take time and clean up all that so I'm bushy down.
Me know,
You know
man.
what to do. I just say I don't clean me up that enough.
Yes.
When he burn is still enough.
Eh.
When he burn, he get if you look about plant up in a can and go and park up and make yam back.
Yeah.
Make yam back and plant food.
You get potassium.
Yeah, you know.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. A good dirt. Plant card.
Yes.
Oh, maybe I want to come to myself. See breadfruit there.
Also, me see, that one here good?
Eh?
This
no,
good?
Man, no, man. I ripe off a job.
Oh.
Trouble that never. Pick good breadfruit, pick back.
Okay.
A good breadfruit, if you pick it back.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
You eh? Eh? You gonna work? Yes. You just look at them down there. Yes, yes.
Yeah, man.
You know.
So, Archie, look what I bring.
Eh?
Me bring you some seasoning,
Yes.
onion, sweet pepper, tomato, scallion, cabbage, Irish potato.
Yes.
Oh my, hold on. Cucumber.
Yes.
Right, me bring you some seasoning and some vegetable. Right?
Yes. I go down there, go look for them, I just here.
I look here now, Archie.
I did, ma'am, go look for them.
Yeah, I me bring you groceries too.
Yeah.
Put down the tissue. Me bring you cornmeal to make your porridge. Lasco, crackers. Look here. Oats.
Good.
Rice, flour, sugar.
Yes,
you know?
Yes.
Essential.
Very thankful for life, bro.
Yes, man. You're welcome.
Yeah. God bless your mission. I'm grateful.
Yes, man. You're welcome, Archie.
Yeah.
Anytime.
Eh?
You're welcome anytime. You still have water in the drum?
Yes, my water in there.
Okay, good. So, yeah, roast your breadfruit and me I go bring some grocery for Miss Cooley. Me hear so Damien gonna work, but me I bring grocery for her. She and Damien can share.
Yes. Me say even if me come.
Me know say you're strong, man.
I go collect money tomorrow, you know. Let's see me try.
Archie?
Say come up nice.
Oh, the roses.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, man, them nice. But Archie, rain a fall now. You should have cut and make more. Go down the line to pretty back up the place.
Rain a come.
So them easy to catch up.
Yes.
And them here want cut out a hit, them bush here.
Them bush.
Haul them up, pull them up.
Oh, them.
Them one here.
Yes. Maca down in them here.
Yeah,
Maca.
careful.
Maca. I make feel some maca.
Me know, don't put your hand way
So
down.
me have to take care of me them, you know.
Yeah.
I'm afraid of maca, you know.
Right.
Come pop in me. Me no do me sit there haga, you know.
Me know, man.
You fly through me foot.
You're neat, man.
Huh?
You're neat, man.
Rako. The thing I know, me a bush peas and clean people ground. Thing I know, me a do it. You know if you do it, you know.
Me know, man.
I mean, I one girl named Jessie, we down there. I me clean out all the garden.
Okay.
What garden?
Okay.
Them can't do it so. Them mad. Them can't do it so. Them can't do it like how me take time do when me I do.
Yeah, yeah.
Dead. But me I go cut back yes, you know. Yes, I come up, you know.
Yeah, man.
I spray you. I spray you, you know. Me I go cut out all them grass and me I go cut them down. Take time and cut them down then. Let me see you come.
Okay.
Yes.
Alright, so me glad to see you too. Yes. I'm glad to see you too, Archie.
I'm sure me will want something glad to look up.
Yeah,
It
man.
look good, you know. It look good.
Yeah.
Praise God. It look good. It look good. May I go ahead you too, you know. Me have to go pull them up, pull up.
Okay.
Enjoy when you come.
Yes, man, I'm glad to come look for you too. Because you make me laugh, you know? You give me joke more while I make me laugh.
No fever grass.
No, sir, me no want no fever
I'm
grass.
planting.
Me know, man. Remember me did carry up some?
Eh?
Me still have some from that time, you know?
What?
From in the
planting,
Easter.
I'm can't charge this for again, man. I can't come up here.
But you remember in the Easter when you did give me some?
Mm.
Yeah, man, me still
I'm
have.
planting, man. You come with me and me and it come. I'm
Okay.
planting. Come. Yeah, man, you want fever grass? The boy said, no good.
Whoa! Don't mash up
Me
breadfruit.
say, if you are coming and me can get breadfruit to give.
Just give me that one, yeah. Me no want more than two, man.
2.
Yeah, man.
Oh, 2 you want. Me say, you can get breadfruit. A nice breadfruit, you know.
Me know, man. Thank you very
Me
much.
say, you come get breadfruit.
Yes.
Where is the pick again?
The one side I not ready.
Eh?
The one beside this one where you just pick not ready.
We're ready. A full one, me I look pretty.
Okay.
Full breadfruit.
Oh, you know.
A full breadfruit every day.
All right, sir.
Full breadfruit. Then be good in.
Oh.
I run your belly when you're no food.
Oh.
When I'm fully alright.
Oh.
Pick breadfruit, man. Me say you come catch the breadfruit.
All right. Me I pick some more.
Yes. For me say me want you come catch the breadfruit before it's done.
Take it.
Before it's done. Before it's done, man.
All right, sir.
Come get breadfruit before it's done.
Respect. We'll see each other again next month, yeah?
Next month.
Yes.
Alright. Next month.
All right. So look more.
Me say you drive good.
All right, sir.
Ituano.
Yes, sir.
So, when me see say you come back here in June.
Yeah, man.
June.
Yes.
So when you come, where you come bring for me again? Yeah, no, wait.